Huh, that's pretty cool. Never seen a Norfolk Southern High Rail truck going through here like this. Well, anyway, this is Nayland Marshall on YouTube or Facebook. I'm in a different location than usual, so I'm in the Whitesburg area. That's called Silver City Road Railroad Crossing. So as you can see right there, this control cabinet has a little scanner on it, which is pretty cool. So I hope everybody had a happy 4th of July on a Friday. So all on this Tuesday, July 8th, 2025, from Nayland Marshall on YouTube or Facebook. All right, here comes the next video. Roll it.